Question for the week. I want to open a real estate business in the US, which invests in properties, remodels them, and flips them. Can I get a visa to do that? How much do I need to invest? There are several issues to consider here. The first one is, are you from a country that has an E2 treaty investor treaty with the United States? If the answer is yes, then you're eligible to start one of these businesses at a lower amount. So it's important to know for E2 purposes that you are allowed to open any kind of business, assuming that it's legal, that it has the potential to create jobs, and then the investment amount is substantial, which means it covers the first year startup and operating costs. Who benefits from this investment? This is very important when it comes to real estate companies, because essentially the model that's used in the US many times is project by project employment. Here, you need to establish a business model that creates permanent jobs as well as the ancillary jobs that are produced per project. So you can have contract and outsourced labor, but the emphasis will be on permanent job creation. The more spots that you have projected for permanent job creation, the higher the chances that this business model will work in getting you the E2 visa. It's important also to note that the investment amount that makes it substantial does not include specific properties that are owned by your company. For an E2 visa, you have to set up a US entity, and that US entity sponsors your visa process. But if you buy an investment property, that investment amount is not applied to what is considered substantial because it's a temporary holding. If you buy a property and you use that property to run your business as a commercial property, then it's possible to include that in your investment amount. If you are not from an E2 country, then the ante goes up considerably. You have to shoot for $500,000 or $1 million, depending on where the business is located, whether it's in a targeted employment area or not. There are other videos that we've produced that discuss that more in detail. So if you are not from an E2 country, then I would suggest you watch those videos. Make sure that if you're interested in doing this, that you work with someone who's highly experienced in this nuanced niche of investment, and also that you work with local partners and that you can get letters from those partners talking about how they will work with you, because any adjudicator knows local knowledge, location of where you're going to set up your business is crucial in running a successful real estate business. Please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube page to receive notifications about all Q&A sessions. And also, if you have any questions, please go to the contact page on the website, www.smalawyers.com, and fill out an inquiry, and I'll respond as soon as I can.